You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to change the thumbnail for your own YouTube video. First, you need to be part of the YouTube Partner Program or have your channel verified to use custom thumbnails. Go to youtube.com and sign into your account. Click your profile picture and select YouTube Studio. On the left sidebar, click Content. Find the video you want to edit and click on its title or the thumbnail. On the video details page, look for the section labeled Thumbnail. You will see the current thumbnail. Click Upload Thumbnail. Select an image from your computer. The image must be a JPEG, GIF, BMP, or in file under 2 megabytes with a recommended resolution of 1280 x 720 pixels. After uploading, you can crop or adjust it if needed. Click Save in the top right to apply the new thumbnail. The change may take a few minutes to appear across YouTube. You can also choose one of YouTube's auto-generated thumbnails by clicking the one you prefer to create an eye-catching thumbnail. Use graphic design tools like Canva or Photoshop with clear text and high contrast. Remember, the thumbnail is crucial for attracting viewers. You can change it as many times as you like. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.